I'm Rose Oatley, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious broccoli cheddar soup. Perfect for this weather. Let's get started. Start by chopping and dicing 1 small onion. You want small melt-in-your-mouth pieces. Next, you want to mince 3 to 4 garlic cloves. You'll need 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. Fresh is always best. Just remove the leaves and start chopping away. Today I'll be using 2 to 2.5 heads of fresh broccoli. Start by cutting off the florets. Quick tip, when cutting your broccoli into smaller pieces, always cut from the bottom to avoid a big mess. Karate chop. Yeah! You'll need a 16-ounce block of cheddar cheese. Now don't buy the one that's already shredded because that comes with a waxy film and it will not melt the same. You want to shred it yourself. In a Dutch oven or large pot over medium-high heat, you want to melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you don't want to use butter at all, just substitute it with olive oil. Add your onions and saute until translucent or almost caramelized. After a few minutes, you want to add some carrots. You can either shred your own. I like to buy the matchstick bag of carrots. This is a 10-ounce bag. I'm going to use the whole bag. Mix for about a minute. Then add your 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. You don't want to add them too early because garlic does cook faster and we don't want to burn it. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. Now add half a teaspoon of paprika. To thicken our sauce, we'll start with 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix it in until it dissolves. It'll start looking almost like a paste. Pour in a 32-ounce container of chicken stock, which is the same as 4 cups.
You're watching Rose Oatley. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified of any new videos.
We'll also add half and half. We'll start with 2 cups and add more later if needed. Let's go in with our broccoli. Now, since every head of broccoli can vary in size, this is when you'll be able to tell if you need more liquid or not. Just by mixing it, I can already tell that I'm going to need a little more liquid in here. I'm going to add 2 more cups of half and half, which is the rest of my container. My container was a 32-ounce container. And to my cup, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. We're going to mix it in to make it a slurry and then add it in our pot. Now for the whole pot, to reiterate, this was 4 cups of half and half and 4 cups of chicken stock. That's total, by the way. Let it come to a simmer, then on medium to medium-low heat, cook for 15 minutes or until your broccoli is tender. In the meantime, you want to prep some baguettes and put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Also, if you like my shirt, Smooth as Tennessee Whiskey, you can find it in my merch shop for both men and women. I'll post the link in the description below. I've got about a minute or 2 left to go, and this is already looking pretty good, nice and thick, just the way we want it. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with salt and pepper, and this will be to your taste. After 15 minutes of cooking, make sure you turn the heat off first and then add your cheese with the heat off. Then you want to start mixing until your cheese completely melts. This looks really good, guys. Let's go plate. Before we give it a try, I like to top mine off with a little extra cheese on top. And let's not forget our baguettes, which pair really well with broccoli soup.
Now for the taste test. So good. I like to dip my bread in there.
If you enjoyed my video, please be sure to smash that like button, comment, and share.
If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.